Alright, this is Random Forex Solutions. Watch how I take a trade right now, a live trade on V75, okay, and also close in profits, okay. Remember, we're using price action, alright, but I'm going to scalp, okay. I'm going to scalp, so we're going to take the trade right now. Watch how I take the trade and also close the trade, okay. This is live and direct, okay, from Random Forex Solutions. I seen it live and direct, live and direct. I seen it live and direct. Focus on it and try to be consistent with the strategy until you get used to it. Hello guys, this is Random Forex Solutions. You can see the trade I just took right now on volatility 75 index. Okay, you can see it's coming down, it's dropping down. Okay, so I took the trade, all right, so that it can take me down to my TP position you're seeing there, 438305. okay, that will be my TP position, okay, my take profit 438305. okay, that is my take profit. Okay, it's a scalping trade. Okay, let me show you what I mean. This is my TP, all right, so I expect the market to drop down at this point. Okay, this point, this is my TP point, okay, all right, or TP position, all right, where I expect the market to drop, all right, and right now the trade is about going my direction. Okay, all right, it's a must, it must go to my direction. All right, it's a must, this market must go to my direction. Let me take some screenshot and send to my community members, also take the trade. Okay, so all right, so this is the trade. You can see I'm trading while I'm walking. Okay, I'm moving around trading. All right, so it's for real, it's for real, it's a live trade from Random Forex Solutions. All right, so you can see this is the stop loss and take profit, my stop loss and take profit. All right, let me send the stop loss to my community. All right, 440634. all right, that's the stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss, okay, stop loss 440634. all right, so that is it. All right, so we're on maximum profit right now. You can see what we have. Maximum profit, too much money, 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 too much money. I'm using the signal from Signal Pro Money Indicator. All right, so this is Signal Pro Money Indicator. All right, so I don't wait until I hit my TP. Okay, all right, so that's what I do. I don't always wait until I hit my TP. I've started taking profits, okay, because I need to leave the market right on time before the market will reverse. Remember, it's a scalping trade. Okay, so I have to leave the market right on time before it will go back. All right, you can see that the market finally went in our direction. Okay, the direction we predicted. Okay, all right, so congratulations to everyone that took the signal. Okay, it's very important to always be profitable. Remember, forex trading is a journey. Once you discover your own secret strategy behind the charts, stay focused on it and try and be consistent with the strategy and get used to it. All right, it's very, very important. Mastering the process is the key to your success. Only be serious with what you are doing and do it with all your heart.
Most importantly, learn from the professionals.
All right, share, make sure you share this video. Don't play.
Subscribe. subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.